Guys, am I audible? Please let me know in the chat box. Am I audible? Can you hear me, guys? Please let me know. Guys, please let me know in the chat box. Am I audible? Fine, fine. Okay, let's start the session, guys. Okay. In the last session, I was discussed about array list. Right, guys? Array list. Guys, array list means what does it mean? It is growing array. Right, guys? Means it has no fixed value, fixed size. Always its value is going to be increased. Okay, guys? Okay. Let's suppose there are some values. If you want to add into array list, let's suppose there is some values 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11. If you want to add those values, how we are going to be add those values? First of all, we need to create a one object for the array list. And what type of data you are going to be add? If suppose that is integer, int type, you have to add. Let's suppose this is the int type, you have to add integer. Guys, this is very important, guys. Some guys may mistake here. If you want to add integer type, int type, you want to give its wrapper class integer. This is very important, guys. Okay. Now I called as a list. You can call it as a anything. Here name you can give anything as your wish. List equal to new array list. Okay, guys. This is the first thing. We have to create an object. Create object for the array list. So if you want to add the things, how we are going to be add? Let's suppose you have created a list dot add of. Here you have to add only, it will allow only integer type. So one can be add list dot add of 2. Yes, what happened this one? List dot add of 3. What will happen, guys, in this case? Because I'm creating new one. Wait a second, guys. Okay. So how we are going to be add? List dot add. Want to add one, what will happen, guys? It is also same array only, right? It is also array only. So first index, it will be added to the 1. Let's suppose if you want to add another element, list dot add of 10. What will happen next index? 1. The 10 will be added in that one index. Want to add list dot add of 11. What will happen, guys? So next one, it is going to be added. Right, guys? This is the concept. This is also same array. but growing array. Normally what will happen? If you want to create an array, you have to give some size, right guys? New int of size you have to give. So that size is fixed. For array size, for this one, it is fixed. You can't add more elements in this array. You can't add. What will happen if you want to add? We will get the error. Right, guys? This is the thing. So if you want to get the element, how we are going to be get the element? Guys, here the values is going to be stored. But here 1 means it is the 0th index. 10 means it is the first index. 11 means second index. This is same as arrays only. Guys, have you clear on this one? How we have created the first object, guys? We have to create like this. This is the object for the array list. This is the very important thing, guys. Mostly we are going to be used instead of the array. We are going to use array list. This is the very important thing. Guys, understand how I am going to be add the elements? So every time that element is going to be added to the next index. Next index. Guys, understand this one? Fine. If you want to get the element, how we are going to be get the element, guys? Anybody knows? Guys, anybody knows how? Now, as of now, we have added the element. We want to get what we have to do? Yes, get method. Get method. Let's suppose as of now, array is like this. 1, 10, 11. So this is the 0 index, this is the first index, this is second index. So if you want to get the element, list dot get of. Here what should we supposed to give? Here we have to give index. Index. If we give the 0th index, value, what is the value here? 1. That will returns. If 1 is the index, if we give 1, what will the output will be? It will return 10. If we give 2, what it will return? It will return 11. Guys, understand this one? Guys, understand? Please let me know. This is the very simple concept, guys. This is the very important thing. So add the element is important and get the element is very important. Okay. The next one, most important one thing is size. As of now, we know how to find the size of the array. If we given the array, how we are going to be find the size? Array dot length. Right, guys? If we given the string, how we are going to be find the length? String dot length method. Right, guys? But the array list, what will happen? Array list, we have to give size. List dot size. Guys, both are all are same. Let's suppose the length method, let's suppose this is the array. If you take this is the array length will give me 3. Let's suppose there is a one string like A, B, C. This length method will give 3. Let's suppose if you take this is the list dot size, it will give the 3. Both are give the same type values, but you have to understand two things here. This is the just length variable. It's not a method. This is not a method. But in the case of strings, it is the method. In the case of array list, it is the size. I hope you clear on this one. Okay, guys. So let's do some simple example. Okay. Okay, guys. First, what we have to do, we have to create a object for array list, right? Here, now second thing, we have to give what type of data we are going to be insert into the, add into the that array list. Right, guys? Okay, now I want only integer type, so that's in only I need to add int value, so that's why I have taken as the integer type, integer here. The next one, we need to give reference for that one. I am giving as a list. You can give any name, no issues. Array list. Okay, now we have created. Guys, we can create any other way. This is not only the way. If you want to, this is the one way. This is the one way. This is the second way. The second way, here you can see I have given the angular braces, right? That is not needed. See guys, that is not needed. And third type, guys, you no need to remember this all the things. The first thing is enough to do with the DSA. I'm just telling you. Third thing, like see here, I didn't given any type of generic thing. This is the one type. See now this time I am just giving the list. This one. Okay, we can give anything. The fine. Okay, you always use the first one only. If I need to add integer type, I will always use this one integer. If you want to add character type, I need to add character. If you want to add only like strings, I will use a string. Okay, guys, we have created now. Now we need to add a elements for this one. List dot add. I need to add one. Guys, check this. List dot again adding another element 2. Add of 3. Okay. I have added 3 elements. Let's check. Let's check. I am going to be print that one. System dot out dot println of system. Let's check here. See guys, it has printed 1, 2, 3. Guys, see here how we have given the same way only it came. Why it came in that way? Because it is storing in a indexes basis, same as an array. Okay. Now if you want to get the size, how I get the size? Let's suppose int length equal to list dot size. Guys, if you don't know, if you are working with this one, if you get it, if you stuck anywhere, you just do like this. After dot, you will get the number of methods. No need to learn with all the methods. At least you should have an idea. Okay, guys, nobody learns with all the methods. The based on your requirement, you can use these methods. Okay. Now I am just print the length. What is the size of this given array list? See guys, it came 3. Guys, understand this one? Let's suppose I have given here 10, 20, and 30. I have added the 3 elements in the array list. Let's check what will happen, guys. So still size is 30 only. Okay, guys. Let's suppose now I want to add duplicate value here. We have added already 30, right? 10, 20, 30. I just wanted to add again 10 value. Let's check what will happen. See, guys, what is the size of this one? 4. That means this array list is allowing the duplicate values. It is very, very important thing, guys. It will allow duplicate values. Allow duplicates. This is very important thing. Let's check. Let's try to print this one and check this one. Guys, see 10, 20, 30, 10 is printed. So if you want, there is a your requirement is want to add the elements with no restrictions and want to allow the duplicates, then you should go for the array list. Guys, understand this one? Why you have to go for the array list? Array list means if you don't know exactly what is the size of the array, first thing. Second thing, if you want to add the duplicate values also, so that is which is the best thing. Array list is the best thing. I hope you clear on this one. And I want to get the elements. I am writing like this: int first equal to list dot get of. Guys, here I am giving the only index. You can see only the index, not values. Get of, I am giving the 0. Guys, what is the 0th index? Here, this is the 0th index. This is the first index. This is the second index. And this is the third index. So if I want to get the first index, how to get list dot get of 0? This is the first index. 0th means first, guys, as same as array. So let's print it out. What it will be prints. Guys, check, it is printed as a 10. Guys, just tell me what is we have added only 4 elements now. If you want to get the 5th element, what will happen? In array, let's suppose there is an array with size of 5. If you want to get the next element, like 6th element, will we get any error or not? We will get the error. Same way also here it has only 4 elements. But if you want to get the 5th element, what will happen, guys? We will get the index out of the bound exception. Guys, always remember, array list is nothing but a array only, same as array. But only difference is it is growing. It's always grows. This is the very important thing, guys. Guys, today I will cover the only basics about array list, set, HashMap, and arrays, and 2D matrix. And tomorrow onwards, we are going to be get into very in-depth problems. Yes, that is correct only. But here we initially didn't set anything. So that's the thing. Okay, guys, next go for the set. You will understand why you go for the set. Here always while I'm talking set means I will talk about HashSet, guys. HashSet. Same as array. Here what type of data you want to store. Let's suppose if you want to store int type, you have to here give integer. Let's suppose I am taking as a set. Here you can give any name, guys. Any name you can give. Okay. New asset. So array list, how it is value is going to be stored, it will allow all the duplicate values as well. But in this case, what will happen, guys? I don't know about Python much, guys. So I am just explaining in here about only Java and C++ also almost similar. Okay, guys, as that is, we are going to be create the object. Guys, you have to remember one thing. If you want to use anything, First, like any class related things like the string, either string buffer, I'm not string, any classes like array list, set, and next classes will be HashMap. All the things if you want to use, you have to create object first. These are all the things. For this all, we have to create object. This is the first thing. If you want to work on these things, you have to create the object. This is the first thing. First thing, create object, then use. Create, then use. Okay, this is the asset. So how we are going to be add the values to the asset? Same as array list only. I am adding here. Let's suppose I am adding 3. I am adding again. I am adding 2 here. I am adding like 4 here. I am again adding 4. Guys, now tell me, what will be the size of this one? Set size. You will understand why you are going to be use the set. Guys, when we taking this one, if there is any duplicate value, it won't accept. It won't accept means because that value is going to be replaced with the same value. Means replace with the same value. In arrays, what will happen, guys? Let's suppose this is the array. If you want to add 1, if you want to add 2, it will do. But again, if you want to add 1, it is also going to be add. If you want to add again 2, it will do. This is the array. It will allow the duplicates. But what will happen, guys, in this case? If you want to add any duplicate value in a set, let's suppose how if this is the duplicate value, right? 4 already 1 came, it is the second time. So what will happen? It is going to be replaced with the same name, same value. So let's suppose initially 3 will be added, 2 will be added, 4 will be added. If you want to get the 4 again, what will happen? This 4 in place of 4 again. If you want to add 3, what will happen, guys? This is going to be removed here. The 3 value comes here. Like that. Guys, one thing you have to remember here. It won't allow duplicates. Guys, now you understand what is the main difference between the list and array list and set. Guys, in the let's suppose one question they may give you like find only unique elements. Now tell me which is the best one to use. Either array list or second one set. Let's suppose here as set. So which one is the best to choose the unique value? Array list or as set? What is mean by unique item? Guys, please let me know what is the unique item like or distinct elements. What does it mean? Which is taken into only one time. Let's suppose, guys. Yes, let's suppose they have given A, B, C, A, D, C. Guys, tell me what are the unique values like distinct values here? Means we have to allow the only one is one time. Let's suppose here A came one time, B came one time, C came one time. Now again A came, it's already one time, so we won't allow this one. Let's say D, it's not there, so one time. C, it's already there, so we won't allow this one. Right, guys? So based on your requirement, like if you need duplicates, you can go for the array list. Your requirement, you can add duplicates also. In that case, array list. And if you want to use only unique elements. You got distinct elements. In this case, you have to go for as set. As set. The list. This is the set. Guys, I hope you clear on these two things. These are very important things. In the future classes, we are going to be use this one only. I hope you clear on this, guys. Please let me know. Please let me know. You guys have clear on this one, right? What is your requirement? Based on that requirement only, you have to go for this one. Let's suppose we will check the set here. Well, what is the first thing we have to do? We have to create object, right, guys? I need only integer type, so that's why I am taking as the integer. Here I am taking the reference value. You can take any name. I have taken here. Here you can use anything, like I am taking as a set. You can take any name, and we have to create object. So that's why I'm going to be create an object for this one. Yes, that is unordered. It won't allow the order. We can't say actually it may give any order. Let's suppose I have taken is a add. Let's suppose I am adding as a value as a 10 here. Next time going to be add 20. Here I am going to be add just 5. Okay, let's print it. Let's check what will be the output here. I'm going to be print this one set. Guys, we have created an object, right? If you want to print that object, we have to use the reference. Here reference I have taken as a set. You can give any name, like suppose I have given as a val. So you have to use here val. You have to use the val in this place. Guys, right? So now let's check what will happen this. Guys, you can check what is the values. I have given it 10 first. Next, second thing 20. Second thing 5. It will give, if you want to print, it will give any order. Any order. So here the one thing is it doesn't maintain the order. Okay, fine. If I want to add another element, same element which are already present, if I want to try the add the element, let's suppose 10 is already there. I'm going to be add this one 10. I'm going to be print all the elements. Let's check. I'm going to be print all the elements. Let's check, guys. Here also what came? 20, 5, 10. But actually here I have added total 4 times. But why only 3 only prints? Because it doesn't allow the duplicate. If the value is already available in that list, so in that set, it is not going to be again, it won't take. I hope you clear on this one. Okay. Let's now want to get the elements from this one. Let's check how we can get. Let's suppose I am taking as a first. Let's check val dot. Guys, if you don't know the method, if you click after the reference value dot, you will get the all the things here. You can see size, add all, same methods you will get. Guys, you know, right, how to get this one? Wait a second, guys. Guys, I hope you clear on this one. Guys, only one thing here you have to remember. It won't allow the duplicate. This is the very important thing here. Okay, guys. I hope you clear on this one. One minute, guys. What is the next thing, guys? 1 minute. క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నా 10 నిమిషాలు మళ్ళీ చేస్తాను. క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నా 10 నిమిషాలు. సరే, ఒక గంటలో అయిపోతుంది. అరగంట. Okay, guys. Now check. Before, what we have done in the array list, if you want to get the elements, how we are get the elements? Based on the get method. Why we are, let's suppose if you want to print to the like this, print of if you given any loop, let's suppose list dot size here, size. If you want to print anything, how we can print? Just we can give as a list dot get of I value means here index, guys. Here index, guys. You can check all the values. Wait a second, guys. Check as all the values came 10, 20, 30, 40. Here the I value is going to be increment 0 initially, next 1, next 2, next 3, next 4, like that. It is going to be increment up to this size, right, guys? Here how we are getting the elements based on the index, but the same thing as list, it won't work like that. Why it won't work? If you give the, let's suppose if you give the val dot get of something, let's suppose 1, see we will get the error here. Why, guys? Because this as set we are going to be add the elements into set, that may always the maintain the order. So that's why here index won't work. In the set case, index won't work. So how to get the elements then? This is the very important thing, guys. Most of the guys will confuse here. Here we have to do one thing. Guys, these are the very basics, guys. If you know about Java, C++, you can easily understand. That's why I'm not going in depth on these things. Okay, I want to print these elements now. Yes, we can use anything, either for each. Let's check. I'm going to be printing it two ways here. I'm going to be used for each now. Right. I'm going to be used for each now. Guys, this is a simple one. You can use for each. This is the one loop. This is what, guys, you have to, if you don't know, don't understand this one, just I will tell you the thing. Here we have to, first thing here, you have to give the reference. Here the reference, what the reference? Well, guys, wait a second, I will explain you better here. Guys, as of now, what we have taken? We have taken one set, right, guys? We have called as a as set of, right? I'm called as a val here. New, I'm created an object here, new as set. I have created one object here. Okay, now what I have done? I'm going to be add the elements here. Let's suppose I have added 10. I'm added 20. I'm added 30. And I'm added again 10. Oh, it is what will happen? 10 is going to be added to the list. 10 added, 20 added, 30 added. But again, when it comes to 10, it's already available in the list, so it won't add. So its values will be these unique values 10, 20, 30. Now, if we want to get the element for, this is the for each loop, guys, we will call it as a for each loop. Guys, try to understand this one, how I'm going to be right here. First, what is the reference, guys, here? reference val. So right side you have to give that one val. That one val. Now what it will give? It will give the values. What is the values in the val? What is the way? It is the integer type, right? So this is the int type. You can give any value name. Let's suppose I have given x here. So what will happen, guys? How many times it is going to be run? It is going to be run val dot size times. Okay, what will happen? First it will come here. First it will come here. Guys, I'm not. It is not maintains the order, but I'm just giving you one simple understanding. First, what will happen? The 10 value 10 it will be comes here. Now x value will be 10 in the first time. After that, what? After the second loop it comes. Second loop it comes. What will happen, guys? That time again second value will it will give. So here x value will be 20. What will happen next? Next iteration 30 value it will be gives. In this way, these values will be comes out here. I hope you clear on this one, guys. Please let me know. Guys, this is a one simple thing, simple format. Simple thing, guys, this one. Guys, here when we use the set, normal for loop won't work. Normal for loop won't work for the set. Won't work. Why, guys? Because it not maintains the order. So it's not index based. Not index based. Guys, as of now, while printing, the values coming like this 10, 5, 20 like that. We are not guaranteed every time these values comes like that. No, we can't guarantee this order. We can't guarantee the order. We can't guarantee this order. This is the very important thing. And second thing, it won't work for the normal loop because it's not based on the index. If you want to take the elements from the list, sorry, array HashSet, you have to do this thing only. For each loop, you have to do. I hope you clear on this one. And one more thing, if you want to get the size, how we are going to be get the size? Same as before. Val dot size. It will give the length of the val. This length of the HashSet. What is the length, guys? Guys, here we have added 4 elements, but it doesn't allow the duplicate value. So only unique value. So that's why size is here 3. I hope you clear on this one, guys. Okay, guys, fine. Guys, this is the basics. Here the only one thing you have to remember, based on your requirement, you are going to be used here. Based on your requirement. If no duplicates, guys, this is very important. No duplicates, then go for the set. Allow duplicates, can go for the list. This is the array list, guys. This is the HashSet. Guys, try to remember these things, guys. For the DSA point of view, these are enough. No need other things. Array list. These 2 things you have to remember. So let's suppose they have asked you like only unique elements, we have to go for the set. All elements you have to go for the list, array list. This is very important thing. And the most important thing now is this is the third one. This is HashMap. This is the HashMap. Guys, as of now, how we have stored the data in the arrays? In array list. And third one is a set, HashSet. Guys, how we are stored in data? These only directly values only we have stored. Only values. Right, guys? Only values we have stored. But sometimes there is some requirements. In that time, you have to add 2 things. What are the 2 things? You have to add key, you have to add value. Why these are needed? let's suppose you have a one simple example. You have an exam and it has some marks, right? Every exam has a marks. So let's suppose here this is the paper one. You have to, yet it has a value. How many marks total? Let's suppose 100 marks. And the paper 2, how many marks? Let's suppose here 100 marks. Paper 3, let's suppose here 50 marks. Paper 4, let's suppose it's 25 marks. Yet, see guys, here two things are important. What are those important things? Here, key also important and value also important. But previous examples, Arraylist set, what are they important? Here only values only important. Only values. Only values. But in this case of HashMap, what are the two things important? Key is important and value also important. So that's why HashMap means simply they called as key value store. Value store. Guys, there is some databases based on this type only, key and value base. If you are after joining a company in real time, how we are going to be used, you are going to know. This is a very important thing, guys. In the application part, most of the times we are going to use this HashMap. Okay. Now we know that two things. HashMap has two things. One is the key, one is the value. Guys, here you have to understand one thing. Key always be unique. Key always be unique. But value can be anything. Can be anything. Let's suppose I will tell you the example, guys. Guys, try to understand. There is a, let's suppose, simple example, guys. Take a bowler, overs. Let's suppose bowler and overs. Okay, guys. Let's suppose the bowler is going to be bowling over. Right, guys? Let's suppose 3 bowlers is there. Let's suppose 3 bowlers. Bowler 1, bowler 2, 3 bowlers, bowler 3. 3 bowlers is there. Okay. The bowler 1 going to be first over. Let's suppose this is his first over. So that's why he has given the first. B1 here, 1, B1 and 1. This is the key, guys. The first one means key and second one means value. Okay, guys. And bowler 2 next can not bowled any over. So that's why bowler 2 will be stored with the B2 with the 1. This is the B3, guys. Now B3 choice. B3 also never bowled as of now. So what will we take? B3 take 1. Guys, understand how we are stored? Bowler 1 is bowled 1 hour, bowler 2 is bowled 1 hour, bowler 3 1 hour. Let's suppose again bowler wants to bowl another over. What we have to take? Bowler here already bowled 1 hour and now he is going to be bowled another over. What we have to do? Do we add like this? Or instead of this one, if we add 1 plus 1, which one is the thing we have to do? Here we have to replace the thing. Replace its value. Replace its value. Guys, I hope you clear on this one. In the HashMap, I hope you clear on this one. Guys, you can clearly say before the B1 bowled the second over, all are here same, means all the values same, means values can be duplicated. Values can be duplicated, but the keys should not be duplicated. Keys not duplicated. Guys, as of now, B1 already bowled 1 over. If you want to another ball, what we are doing here? we are not storing in another space. We are just replacing its value b1 to 2 hours. Right, guys? This is the important thing. The key value pair, key cannot be duplicate, no duplicate. But value can be duplicated. I hope you clear on this one. Guys, always we are going to be used based on your requirement. Based on our requirement. Yes, yes. Guys, are you clear on this one, guys? If suppose my requirement is only arrays, sorry, only values plus can store duplicates also, duplicates. Then I go for the array list. Array list. Second one, my requirement is values, but no duplicates. No duplicates. In this time, I will go for set. Here I can say HashSet, which I am going to be used in the DSA. Okay, third one. Now I have to, my requirement is both keys plus values. Both I have to use keys and value. Now which one I am going to be used? Map, HashMap. Guys, try to find the difference between these two. HashSet and HashMap. Guys, you have to remember when you find the word like a map, that means key and value. You have a set means only one thing. I mean only values. I hope you clear on this one. Array list only values. This is very important, guys. Guys, you supposed to know which one you have to use in your programming. Not only in programming, in the application development, or otherwise after you get into job also, you supposed to know your requirement. My requirement is only values. I can store anything like duplicates also I want to allow, then go for the array list. My requirement is only values, but not duplicates. I go for the asset. My thing is, my requirement is the key and value pair, then go for the hash map. This is very, very important thing, guys. Okay. Let's suppose, guys, please be on the line. Guys, wait a second, guys. Oh, sorry guys. Okay. Now I hope you clear on these things. These three things. Your requirement is values. You can store duplicates also. Go for the array list. Only values and no duplicates. Go for the set. Your requirement in key and value pair. You go for the hash map. Okay, guys. Oh, yes. Let's suppose. Okay. First thing, what we have to do, we have to, if we want to use, we have to create objects for this one, right? Hash map. Guys, here you have to understand two things. The before in the array list and asset, what type of data you want. Let's suppose you want to store the integer value, you are going to be given like this, right guys? The same way also, let's suppose my requirement is here the key value. Let's suppose key value is integer type, and this is also integer type. Let's suppose here. So in that case, what I have to do? I have to take here integer, here also integer. Guys, this is the reference value. You can give any value equal to new hash map. Guys, understand this one? The based on your requirement. Let's suppose what is your key. If you want to store what type of key you want to store, that type you have to give here. What type of value you are going to be stored, that thing you have to give here. Let's suppose I will give you another example. Let's suppose there is a one string is there, A, B, C, D, A, B, C. This is the string. I want to get the frequency of the elements. Means like this. A is how many times it came. Let's suppose 2. B is came as a 2 times. C is came as a 3 times. And D also came as a 2 times. Let's suppose like this. Guys, here see, keys are here chars. Keys are chars. And these values are here int type. Right, guys? So, in this time, how I am going to be create a hash map, like how I am create the object in this way. Let's see this, guys. Hash map of, what is the key type here? Char type. So, that's wrapper class character. Right, guys? Next is, what type is int type? So it is a integer. Next, you can give any reference value, no issues. New hash map. Guys, clear on this one, how we are going to be give? Okay, I will give you another example. Let's suppose there is given a one word. Let's suppose hello, hi, hello, oh, hi. They have given like this. There is given a one string. This is the bigger string. They ask you to each word how many times came. Here you can see hello word. How many times came, guys? 2 times came. Hi word, how many times it came? I 2 times. And how many times it came? 1 time. Right, guys? This is the your key map store. Guys, here clearly see what is the your key here. Here your key is string. What type of the key is? This key is string type. And what is the value type? Here int type. So how you are going to be create this hash map? The hash map now clearly check, guys. Understand this one. Hash map of here key is string type. So you have to give string. And what is the this type, guys? Value is int type. So integer. You can give anything here. Your wish equal to new hash map. Guys, understand, guys? I hope you clear on this one. I hope you clear on this. Guys, okay, guys? You have understand, I think. Please let me know. Have you guys any doubts? Okay, guys. The same way, if you want to Yes, we have to use the, yes, wrapper classes sometimes. Let's suppose I want to add int array. How I'm going to be add? Let's suppose there is an array list. Array list. I want to add here int arrays. So now no need to give the wrapper class, directly int array. Guys, you have to understand one thing, guys. This is very important thing. Guys, let's suppose, guys, if you want to add only elements, how we are going to be add that one? How we are going to be create? Let's suppose array list of, if you want to add characters, here you have to give character. Right, guys? Guys, character you have to give. Guys, please try to understand. What does it mean, guys? It means characters list. Guys, try to understand this one. If you given like this character array list of character, it means characters list. Okay, that means number of characters it can be. That means like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like that. Number of characters it means. Okay, let's suppose they have given like this array list of integer. Guys, what does it mean? Guys, please let me know. List of integers. Here also you can list of characters, you can say list of characters. The same way here, list of integers. Let's suppose if you want to give as a string type. What does it mean? It means list of strings. List of strings. Guys, understand these things? Let's suppose here list of integers means this is the one list. Okay, here what does it mean? List of int strings means let's suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, H, I, J, like that. You can clearly see, guys, this is one string, this is one string, this is the one string. So total this is the list of strings. Here also this is one int, this is the one int, this is one int, same list of integers. Guys, I hope you clear. Yes, Spring Boot you can learn, but basic thing you have to know. You have to know at least core Java, guys. If you know core Java, you can easily learn Spring Boot. If you know core Java, that is enough. But you have to, like, while explaining some concept, now you're supposed to know. You have to do little more work, because because if you not aware of the servlets, it may feel little difficult, but not that much very difficult. You can easily learn. Okay, guys, if you should have very strong fundamentals on only core Java is enough to learn the Spring Boot, I can say. Okay, guys. Guys, I hope you clear on this one. Let's suppose they have given one thing, guys, here. The same way, as set of integer. Guys, I will tell you, wait a second. What does it mean, guys? As set of integers means set of integers. Set of integers. Let's suppose 1, 2, like that. 3, 4, 5. Guys, you have to, while implementing, what you have to do, you have to take like unit. Unit means 1. This is the integer, right? So as set of integer, like that. Okay, let's suppose here as set of characters is there. What does it mean? Set of characters. Set of characters. Let's suppose here A, B, C, D, E, set of characters. Same as a set of, here I have given a string. What does it mean? Set of strings. Set of strings means same like Rajesh, Raju, like that. This is one string, this is one string, this is one string. So list of strings. Guys, this is a very important thing. Now try to understand. They have given like this array list of int array. Here int array. Guys, what does it mean? Guys, please let me know. Tell me. Somebody given you like that array list of int here, int array. What does it mean, guys? Guys, please let me know in the chat box. What does it mean? Okay, it means list of int arrays. List of int arrays. Int arrays means, let's suppose 1, 2, 3. This is the one array. And 4, 5, 6. This is one array. Let's suppose 7, 8, 9. This is one array. Right, guys? If you call this, all the things include, how you call? List of integers. Sorry, list of int arrays. Int arrays. Understand, guys? Okay, fine. Now tell me here. Now, hash map of character. Guys, what does it mean, guys? Please let me know how it is going to be stored. It is going to be stored in this way, guys. Please understand this one. This is the character. Key is the character. That means only one character. But this is the array. It is going to be stored one array. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. It is only character. So D. Let's suppose 3, 4, 5. Let's suppose F 5, 6, 7. Like that. This is the character key. This is the integer. Guys, I hope you clear on this one. Please let me know the values how we are going to be stored. So based on the your requirement, if you want to store, you only int type, int array in the values, you have to take like this. I hope you clear on this one. Okay, fine. Now I hope you clear. Now, as of now, we have seen how to add the elements to the list and set. Now we have to add the element into the map. How we are going to be add? Guys, this is the very important. This is reference name. You can give any name here. Map dot put method, guys. Put. First thing you have to give key value. Let's suppose here. Let's suppose I have created one hash map as like this, guys. Let's suppose character integer I have given 2 like this. So what's supposed to be here? I have to store. I have to store only characters. So A. Guys, A you can see clearly the character. The integer type I have given as a 2 like that. Let's say I have given here. The same way map dot put of B1 map dot. Guys, please check this one. How I am writing this one. Put method means you want to push the elements into the hash map. If you want to directly can't push a single value. You have to push only 2 ways. Key and value pair. In this way only you can push. Okay, guys. Let's suppose this is the C. This is the 3. How the values comes, guys? This is the, let's suppose this is the set. This is the hash map. Okay. What will give this? It is going to be pushed into here. Put into how it is going to be stored? A is going to be stored in a key place and value will be stored in a value place. Next, what will happen, guys? B will be comes here and 1 will be comes here. C will be in the key value and 3 will be the value. I hope you understand, guys. Have you clear on this one? Please let me know, guys. Fine. This is the very important thing, guys. Guys, I am not going to be in depth, guys, because if you go in depth, so it may take more time. And DSA, those are all not required for the DSA. But yeah, for data structures algorithms, very basics is enough. These are the enough to solve the problems. Okay, guys. Now I have add the elements. If you want to get the elements, if you want to get the elements, what is the method, guys? The method is get of. Here you have to give key. You have to give key. What it will return, guys? It will return its value. Its value. Let's suppose here you can see, guys, this is the key, this is the value. If you want to get the, if you want to give the key value, key, what will happen? Let's suppose this is the map dot get of. If you have given key, here key is A. What does it return? It returns its value. What is the A value, guys? Here A value here 2. It will return 2. Guys, clear, guys? Let's suppose you have given map dot get of B. What will give? It gives the value 1. Guys, what will happen, guys? Map dot get of C. It will give the value 3. Okay, let's suppose you have given another thing which is does not here. Let's suppose if you want to get of 10. Guys, 10 is there here. It's not there. So we will get the compile time error. I hope you clear on this one. How we are going to be stored into the HashMap, and how we are going to be get the elements from the HashMap. This is a very basic and generic concept, guys. I hope you clear on this one. Okay, guys, fine. Okay. Next important thing is contains key. This is very, very important, and most of the times we are going to use this one. Contains key is a one method, guys. Let's suppose there is an empty hash map is there. Empty hash map. I have given one string A, B, C. Let's suppose. Guys, what I have to do, my requirement is, if there is no elements in the hash map, I want to add the element. Let's suppose here A is there, but in the list, you can see in the hash map, A is not there. So I want to add this one, A one time. Now B came, B, there is no element. So B is going to be stored as a 1. And C also going to be added as a 1. But again, if you want to A, we will find the element here, A. How we are going to be check? This is the value. Contains key of, here we have to give that key. Here in this case, A. So what will happen, guys? When we give this method contains key, it will give the either true or false. In the first case, what will happen when there is empty, there is no elements in the array map. The first time A came, what will happen, guys? It is going to be called the contains key. Here A is there in that list, in this map. A is not there. So that's why it will give the false value. False. So that's why you are going to be add here. If you want to get the next time A, what will happen? It is going to be check the its key value. Its key value is already available. So it won't, it return the true. So that's why you have to write a condition based on this one. Guys, no need to worry. I am going to be explain these type of problem in next sessions. Guys, I hope you clear on these 3 things, guys. Okay, one more thing, how to get the element from the hash map. I will show you in the Eclipse, guys. Okay, we have created one class. Let's check here. If you want to use the HashMap, first thing what we have to do, we have to create object for that one HashMap. Here object I am going to be created here. Now I want to add character as my key, and value will be, I want to like integer type. So I am writing like this. Character is key is a character type, in value will be integer type. Let's suppose you can see I am taking as a here map Here, this name I have taken is a map. You can take any name your wish. Okay, how we are going to be create object for this one, guys? This is the simple one. We have created the object. If you want to add the elements, how we are going to be add? Put char dot put. You can see, guys, here character key and value it is asking for. Put of. So let's suppose my one is in here character. So I'm going to be add a here again 1 here 1 here 1 because that is the integer. Let's suppose I want to add another element a of 2. What will happen, guys? In this case, it is going to be check the key. It is already available, so it will override this one. Let's check. We are going to be print this one, and you will understand after this print statement. I am going to be print this map. I am going to be print there, and here also I am going to be print. Guys, what will happen, guys? In the first case, I'm going to be print a. So it is give the a equal to 1 because a value is the key, is 1 value is the value, 1 is the value. Now after these statements, I am going to be again print, I am giving the print a equal to 2. What will happen, guys? Check. You can see what it comes. Guys, wait. Guys, you can check what it prints a equal to 2. How it is 2? Because it is override this value. There is no value after that. If a equal to 1 initially, I will show you the example here. Initially, let's suppose a equal to 1 value. Next, if you want to store a equal to 2 value, you want to store, what will happen? This value is going to be erased and replaced with the 2. I hope you clear on this one, how we are going to be do this one. So, okay, fine. Now I want to get the elements. Let's suppose int value equal to map dot get of. We have to give key. Here I have given the key as a. Right, guys? Now I am going to be print the value here. System dot out dot println of val. So I have given a key. The value supposed to come, right? Which one will come? Let's say a 2 will come or 1 will come. Let's see. See, guys, what it came? It came 2. Why it's 2? Because a value is not there. It is already over. It is deleted and it is added. 1 is deleted and replaced with the 2. That's why if you want to get the value, get of a, the character, it will give the value of 2. Last updated value, guys. You have to understand this one. Last updated value. Let's suppose I have given another thing here. Map a equal to 20 I have given. Let's check what will happen, guys. Initially 1 is going to be stored. Okay, a1. What will happen after a2? 1 value is going to be deleted and 3 will be replaced. a2. What will happen? The a20 statement. 2 is going to be deleted and 20 is going to be stored here. Let's check, guys. See, 20 it came. How it came? Last updated value. I hope you're clear on this one, guys. Please let me know, guys. I hope you're very clear on this one. Guys, today only basics, guys. Because if you don't know these basics, then the next session, next problems, you may feel difficulty. So that's why I'm giving you these things. Okay, guys. Okay. I want to get the element of how to know we have done here. Right, guys? Now I want to iterate through the loop. How we are going to be do that one. Let's check here. Here you can check, guys. Here for map is there. This is the same as a for loop only. Okay, guys, we have taken a for, guys. Now I want to iterate through this map. This is very important. You have to remember this one, guys. Map capital M A P map dot. Guys, you can see entry. Second one entry after dot entry. Okay, entry which came. Here came 2 values, key and value. You have to give what type of key it is. It is a character type. So you have to give character. What type of value that is? That is int type, so you have to give integer here. Okay. Now you can give any value here. And second thing, this map dot entry set. Guys, this is the important thing you have to understand, guys. This one. Let's suppose I have taken is a x. Guys, this is you have to remember. There is no other way. Okay, guys. What will happen, guys? Entry set. We are doing the set how that values come directly. Now what will happen? It is comes as a set. We are given the put values, right? Put means key and value pair the same way. Key and value pair is going to be come here. Let's check. We will print here and we can check here. Check, guys. X dot get key and x dot get value. It is not coming. Get key and get value. Fine. Let's check in. I have given some other things, guys, here. You will better to understand. I have given B as a 30 and I have given C as a 40. C as a 40. Let's check, guys. I'm going to be print this one. You can check what will happen. Wait, guys. See, guys. A20, B30, C40. How it came? Because it is storing in a key value pair, right? Every time it is giving that key value pair at a time. I will show you the example here. Guys, here you have given A1, let's suppose B2 here and C4 here. If you want to use the entry set, what will give? It gives the entire set. That means it will give this one first. A1, one set is given. And second time, what will happen? Second set B2. Third time C4. I hope you clear on this one, guys. Please let me know. Guys, clear on this one? C4. Please let me know, guys. This is a very important thing, guys, and very based on this one, we are going to be solve some problems in the lead code. In the medium, those are medium to hard level questions, guys. Okay. I hope you clear on this one. And you know the basic difference between this array list and set and HashMap. HashMap. Okay, fine. Now the next topic, guys. These are is enough. These are the basics. This is enough. Okay. The next one also very important, guys. Stack. Guys, these are the very simple generic concepts. So that's why I'm all are explaining today itself. Guys, what does it mean by stack? You have to understand one thing. Stack means, let's suppose, guys, you have a bookstore. Let's suppose this is the bookstore. First here this is the book 1, this is the book 2, this is the book 3, and this is the book 4. Right, guys? Which book will you take first? In these 4 books, which one you will take first? You are going to be take fourth one is first, and third one is second, and second one is third, and this one is fourth. Right, guys? That means last in, first out, or first in, last out. Clear, guys? Let's suppose there is a number of plates is there. Let's suppose you can take number of plates like this. Or like a glass. Let's take as a glass. So how we are going to be add? This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one. How we are going to be take? You have to take this one first, this one first, this one next, this one next, this is the last one. Right, guys? These are last in, first out, or first in, last out. Let's suppose one example. In a chat application, let's suppose in a WhatsApp, if you message with the anyone, like suppose anyone. So which one comes first? Which one comes first? Guess at the top of the list. Which one it will show? It will show which is last message guy, one guy, right? Message, last messages, it will be shown. Let's suppose this is the contact, let's suppose A1, this is the A2, and so on, this is the A3. Guys, tell me which one you have message first in this one? A3 you have message first. So that's why it's last. Guys, understand? This is the one real-time examples, guys. These are the stack. Stack means last in, first out. Or first in, last out. First in, last out. Guys, I hope you already know about the stacks. Okay, guys, fine. I'm ending the session now. And tomorrow I'm going to be solve the problems on these three arrays and strings. I'm going to be use directly Arraylist set, and third one is HashMap. Guys, I have already implemented without HashMap how to store the elements. We have solved like an anagram, those problems. Sometimes in the questions they may directly, explicitly ask without use HashMap. That time you have to use that frequency in array index, frequency array. This is the case. You have to, that's why I have explained. Because you're supposed to know all the ways, all the possible ways how we are going to be implement. Bro, 7 and 8 I have given. 7 and 8 I have measured and I have given. 7 and 8. You can check. Okay, guys, I'm ending the session now. If you guys have any doubts, please let me know. And one thing is like some guys have already shared some resumes, guys. So that round is like that interview has been postponed, guys. Because today is some holy celebrations and some other causes, it has delayed. I mean postponed. I will update you when it will be going to be happen. No, bro, I have already sent pre-check. 7 and 8 I have sent. I think yesterday. Okay, guys, have you any other doubts, guys? I'm ending the session now. Please let me know. Okay, guys, fine. I'm ending the session now. Thank you, guys. Yes. These are enough. These are very basics. If you know the basic things, these will be enough. I will tell you. I am going to be implement on application using only arrays. Only arrays. I will tell you how to implement only arrays. Slowly, I am going to next application will be used like a list, array list and HashMap. Then next week not possible. After 10 days, I will start these application development, because in this 10 days, I will going to be explain of only DSA questions, because these 2 weeks is not enough, guys. Because I'm not taking the more than 2 hours classes, so that's why these 2 hours is not enough to complete all the parts. So that's why I'm taking at least another 10 days for the DSA. There's a lot to cover. Like I need to these as of now we have solved only easy to medium level questions, but lot more we have to solve. We have to solve medium questions, medium to hard level question, and hard level questions. So I will take another 10 days for the only DSA only. After DSA, once you feel very good, then we'll go for the application development. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Like without DSA completion directly, I can't go, right? Because first round I have solved so many questions, like 20 to 30 questions. Those are enough to solve the first level. But I'm still in the second level only, right? So if I leave now only, but you can't clear the second round. At least you can solve at least 1 to 2 questions. But you can't solve at least at least another 2 questions you have to solve. In the 10 days, you will understand how to solve another 2 questions. As of now, I think I'm sure you can solve first is 2 easy questions you can easily solve in the paper, guys. In the next 10 days, I'm going to be explain about the other things, right? Like a back tracing and recursion. There are a lot of things is there, like dynamic programming. And after that, you will get the very clear idea how to solve problems on by your own. Okay, guys, I'm ending the session. I have some other work. Okay, guys. Bye.